When we began the gardens 30 years ago, the thought was to make something which would astonish people. To show people a style of gardening which otherwise they'd have to travel halfway around the world to see. Most visitors simply wander and enjoy the gardens for themselves. On our guided tour, we explore the garden, we look at the various garden rooms, we look at the individual plants, where there's quite rich history associated with quite a number of plants scattered through the gardens. Well, the beauty of a garden like this is it's constantly changing. We do have people who come back every 2 or 3 weeks simply because of the variety within the structure of the garden. After exploring the garden, visitors are welcome to browse the Diggers Club nursery. There are all sorts of interesting plants, a nice souvenir for people to take home.